Good morning, dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so welcome back to the online classes, student. This is Joy Singh, your maths teacher. So I welcome you all in a maths class. So everyone, check out your maths book. So student, you all have done very well in your half yearly examination. Okay, and we have completed up to unit 6. Now today we are going to start a new unit, that is unit 7. Okay, but मैंने unit 7 के बारे में आप सबको पहले भी कुछ बताया था. Okay, so today we are going to discuss again. Okay, now see here, unit 7 is numbers from 51 to 100. Everyone take out page 98. Okay, and also student, take out your notebook, maths notebook. Okay, take out. Now unit 7 is numbers from 51 to 100. Okay, numbers from 51 to 100. Okay, student. So here student, what you are going to do, 51. Okay, ये आपको आपके नोटबुक में राइट डाउन करनी है. Okay, 51 to 100. So 51 to 60 I am writing, and just like this you have to complete up to 100. So see here on the blackboard, student, 51. 51 means what? 5 tens plus 1. Okay, 1. Okay, 5 tens plus 1. 1 आप लिख सकते हो या तो 1 लिख सकते हो. 5 tens plus 1. ओके, 1 लिखने की जरूरत है नहीं, तो इट इज 5 tens plus 1. और आप इसका नंबर नेम भी आपको राइट डाउन करनी है, तो इट बिकम्स व्हाट? 51. It becomes 51. Now 52. 5 tens plus 2. It becomes 52. Okay? आपको like this you have to write down in your notebook. So everyone take out your notebook and do it. 5 3 means 5 tens plus 3. So it becomes what? 53. Okay? 5 4, 54 means 5 tens plus 4. It is 54. Four. 55. 5 tens plus 5. 50. FIVE 5. Okay. Then 56. 5 tens plus 6. So it becomes 56. 57. 5 tens plus 7. Like this you have to complete. So do it, student. I will give you the time. 50 SEVEN 7. 58. 5 tens plus 8, 58, 59, 5 tens plus 9 1. It will become 59. 6 0 60. 6 tens plus 0 1 is equals to SIXTY is 60. Okay, so do it, student. And also, student, it is given in your book on page number 98, 99 and 100. ये इस पेज पे आपके बुक में ये दिया है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू note down from this, or also you can note down from your book in your notebook. Okay student, आपको in your notebook में आपको ये up to 100 तक आपको कंप्लीट करनी है. ओके, सो डू इट up to 100. Like this only you have to complete. Okay, now come to page number 103. Page number 103. Take out everyone. See here, this one, this you have to fill in your book. ठीक है, इसको आपको कहाँ fill करना है? In your book. Okay student, no need to do it in your notebook. Only up to 100 numbers name you have to write down. और इन दोनों को आपको कहाँ करना है? In your book. Okay, so see here, forward counting. Forward counting. It is revision. Okay, आप क्लास UKG में forward counting and backward counting आप सब पढ़े हो. Okay, so once again do the revision. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is forward counting. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Forward counting. Okay, so this forward counting you have to complete up to 100 and it is given in your book. Okay, see here, book में आपका दिया है. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. After that 11 12 13 14 15 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 20. So like this only you have to complete this up to 100, 100. And I know कि you all know this very very well. Okay, आप मुझे पता है कि आप ये बहुत ही easily you can do it, है ना? आप कर सकते हो. So do it in your book itself. Yeah, 21, 31, 41, 51. Okay. This is your forward counting. And this you have to complete it in your book. Complete it in your book. Okay? Now, on page 103, one more exercises are given, that is what? Backward counting. One more question is there, that is backward counting. आपको अभी आपने क्या पढ़ा था? Forward counting. Okay? And now you are going to write down backward counting. And this also you have to do in your book. Okay, students? So backward counting is from 100, 99, like this it is given, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Okay, so like this it is what? It is the backward counting. After that is what? After 91 is 90, then 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Okay, so like this. After that will come 80. ठीक है, और आपको इसको अप टू कहाँ तक करना है? अप टू 1 तक आपको इसको क्या करना है? कंप्लीट. And you have to complete this question in your book. Okay, and do it, student. And here some missing numerals are given, and I hope you all will complete this one and forward counting both. So do it. $80, $79, $78, $77, $76, $75, $74, $73, $72, $71. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Then 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 52, 51. So okay, so up to this you have to complete up to 1. Do it fast, student. Okay, so I hope you all will complete this in your book. Okay, student. Now, today's homework is write numbers name from 51 to 100 in your नोटबुक. ओके, आपको नोटबुक में 51 to 100 नंबर्स नेम राइट डाउन करना है. जस्ट लाइक जैसे मैम ने अभी आपको बताया, यू हैव टू डू लाइक दैट. ओके, एंड कंप्लीट द फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग एंड बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग इन योर बुक. ओके स्टूडेंट, नोट डाउन द होमवर्क. Okay, so till then keep learning and do practice at home, and also student learn the numbers name, okay, from 51 to 100. So take care, goodbye.